Hello, trading is closed on August 21st, 2017. I expected to be at the eclipse today, but the weather forecast was for clouds, so I stayed home. We had some predictions. We looked for a pattern with an early low, and that worked. That means tomorrow's pattern should also have an early low, which doesn't preclude gapping up first. We had a change in trend on Saturday the 19th. That might work, but it's too soon to be positive. During the day, MEJT said early on both lower and higher prices would print, said this drop was false, and after this time we'd hit this price. There's the dot. It also says this whole rally is a false move, and most likely by early Wednesday we're going to see 2421.97. We have mixed indicators. Typically that leads to a gap outside of the day's range. If that doesn't happen, next most likely as we close it'll change, have the big move on Wednesday. What's positive about the pattern is that we made a bunch of lows here and couldn't hold on to any of them. That's positive. What isn't positive is after rallying all day long, we couldn't close over the middle of the day high. We also have a pattern which almost always closes at the day's high. When that doesn't happen, it leads to lower prices. All these negative signs would be invalidated if we gapped up and promptly took out this high. It's not good that we haven't taken out the high yet. It isn't good that we have a lower MEJT target. And after getting bars 12 and 13 of a combo buy signal on a 30-minute chart, it isn't good that we can't clear bar number 8 of countdown. Here's the low. You see what resistance that is. Really want to clear the high if this buy signal is going to amount to anything. I mean, so far it's been pretty good at calling a low, but really not a lot of points. I mean, they had some. If this is going to be a significant low, you really want to clear that number 8 pretty quickly. So for tomorrow's pattern, I think the bulls really have to gap up over this high. If we gap over the high, it's possible this low is going to hold. Other than that, it's a negative pattern. We should see lower prices, and here's the target. And that's today's call.